Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about personal growth and success, regardless of gender. Whether you're aiming to be a high-value individual or simply looking for ways to enrich your life, these empowering hobbies are for you. 1. Fitness and wellness activities. First up, we have fitness and wellness activities. Taking care of your physical health not only boosts your energy levels but also enhances your mental well-being. Whether it's hitting the gym, practicing yoga, or going for a run, these activities help you feel your best. 2. Reading and continuous learning. Next on our list is reading and continuous learning. High-value individuals know that knowledge is power. Make reading a habit. It could be anything from self-help books to biographies or even learning a new language. Keep that thirst for knowledge alive. 3. Entrepreneurship or side projects. If you're someone with an entrepreneurial spirit, consider diving into a side project or even starting a business. This not only develops your business acumen but also hones your problem-solving and leadership skills. Embrace innovation and take those calculated risks. 4. Travel and cultural exploration. Broaden your horizons with travel and cultural exploration. Experiencing new places and cultures helps you adapt, connect, and appreciate diversity. It's a chance to step out of your comfort zone and truly understand the world around you. 5. Music and creative arts. Express yourself through music and creative arts. Learning an instrument or engaging in artistic endeavors allows you to tap into your creativity and showcase your unique perspective. It's all about finding your artistic voice. 6. Cooking and culinary exploration. Cooking isn't just about satisfying your taste buds, it's also a valuable life skill. Experiment with different cuisines and techniques. Not only do you nourish yourself, but you can also impress friends and loved ones with your culinary creations. 7. Volunteering and philanthropy. Lastly, giving back to the community through volunteering or philanthropy is a mark of a high-value individual. It's about contributing to causes you care about, making a positive impact, and fostering a sense of social responsibility. So there you have it, 7 empowering hobbies that can help you grow, succeed, and become the best version of yourself. Remember, being high value isn't just about hobbies, it's about embodying qualities like empathy, integrity, and ambition. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.